guys, welcome to another video. I'm the Black Trailbacks. Well, my name is actually Matt, but you know. Well, the tie rods are done. That was a pain in the ass to get those sleeves over top of those inners, but you gotta work them. You gotta make sure they're free. Otherwise, you're gonna have an extremely hard time doing the alignment afterwards because you have no access to the inner besides that little bit that you can grab onto with a pair of vice grips to keep it from moving. These tires are junk. These tires are less junk. We're gonna put the less junk tires on, and in the process, we're gonna be replacing the valve stems on these because they're all leaking and the sensors don't work, so I'm just gonna be replacing them with rubber valve stems. And we're gonna do something a little special with the wheels because they're a little corroded and I need to clean them up. Well, if you didn't know how to mount tires before, in a pinch on the side of the road, you're about to find out how. Keep getting bees flying at me. I'm gonna be using the trailer hitch off the truck with my jack and probably some wood, unless those beads for some reason just pop on their own, which is very possible, these are thick tires. Placing the jack underneath, put the tire in between with a piece of wood, and then as I pump up, there goes the bead. Traditionally, if you were doing this and you wanted to keep the tire that you were, popping off, you wouldn't want to place this jack head straight on it. Potential that you damage the sidewall. If you damage the sidewall, it's game over. The tire's no good. But in my case, I don't care about these tires. My camera ended up overheating that day, and here we are 4 days later. Got the front wheels done. It was a pain in the ass to get those tires to seat, but I finally did it. I didn't get any footage of that, but I will of these back wheels once I'm done fighting with this broken lug nut. This wheel has been giving me issues coming off for the last couple days. There's like this much lug nut on there, just enough to mess with my day. And after hours of drilling, dremeling, hammering, chiseling, I cracked it. And some more hours of hammering. I finally got it. Okay guys, after 4 days of chiseling at that with the minimal tools that I have, I finally got it off. It's time to do these tires. Typically you don't want the rim to scrape like that, but that's okay. They're getting redone right now anyway. There goes the bead.
Yeah, that cost me some arm hairs, but it was worth it. It took me a long time to tape these wheels off and get everything right, but I am extremely happy with how it all came out. I want a little bit bigger tire though. As usual, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, like, subscribe. Thanks.